But yeah, that was exciting.
Connected. Recording.
Well, guys, don't be stupid like I did this morning. I pushed my bike out of the shop, put it on the kickstand, but obviously I didn't have the kickstand full lock, and it kind of rolled forward and fell over. The best way to do it, and I usually do, but for some reason I took it out of gear this morning. I usually leave it in gear, and that'll keep it from rolling. But I don't see damage. You can see a little dirt and scratches on the handguard. Good thing for the handguards and stuff, so the bar just hit the ground. And then down here I don't see anything, no dirt on nothing, no scuffs. See a little bit of foot peg scratches and a little bit on my kickstand. That's that kickstand foot. I know everybody's going to ask about it again, but the guy made that for me to make it where the bike don't lean over so far. And it works pretty darn slick. You can see, because this bike is stupid how short the stand is and how far it leans over in stock condition. All right, I'm going to head home now. So anyway, I'll post a video right there showing my stupidity.
That would be. That would be.
Oh, I guess it ain't stupidity. It's just what we call an accident. But I've never done it before. I actually have had my kickstand before in the hot summer, sitting on asphalt like this, sink into the asphalt and the bike fall over. Street bike, heavier bikes usually. And I've had it, of course, sink over in sand or mud. It will do that, sink and fall over, not sink over. Oh well, if that's all the damage is done, I'm happy. It's actually 81 degrees out here. It's nice. Too bad I gotta go home and work on the house. Otherwise, it'd be a super day to go ride, but I need to go ride some. We're just trying our hardest, me and the wife, working on the house, trying to get it done. Get a lot of that stuff done before winter. So it kind of puts a damper on the videos, but I still put out some as much as I can. Put that shield down. Still making some review videos on products that I get. Oh, I can't make it. I could have, but why show off? Show off, show out, whatever you want to call it. Check out that Ranger. It is loaded down. Okay, Mazda, same thing. But yeah, that was exciting. I turned around and tried to, but I was too late. There wasn't no sense in trying to grab it. I wasn't going to do nothing. Probably would have made something happen, make it scratch something worse, who knows. But it's kind of, my security camera is what that footage is of the bike falling over. And it's kind of foggy looking because in the mornings a lot of times it gets dew on the limbs.
That would be.
So that's why the picture, otherwise if it was like now, it would be super good picture. Biker dudes. That's old biker dude Scott right there in front of me. He has a bike, he just never rides it. He makes up the excuse that he wakes up too late. Everybody's got one. That's his. Well, that is a good looking old Ford he's got there. Well, guys, I reckon I'll get off here, get to the house and get something done. Hopefully that don't happen again. I'll make sure I put my bike in gear when I park it outside. It's a little bit of a slope. If you notice on that video too that all my junk falls on my tail bag and my tank bag because I didn't have them zipped at the time because I was not done, not ready to leave. Go home, Scott. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.